Hey guys, this is our K5 letter sounds page, Writing with Phonics, page 41 and 42. We are going to be practicing the letter R. So let Miss Hendra get ready here, get her pen. All right, so the lowercase r is under the dotted line and it stops at the red baseline. Pull down with a hump, but it's only a half hump. Okay, you don't go all the way down to the red line. Pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump. Good. All right, so your capital R goes from the top line, the upstairs, all the way to the red line, the baseline. All right, so you're going to do a pull down, a hump to the dotted line, and then a slant line right. Pull down, hump, slant 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 right. Let's write the blend ruh. Ready? Ruh. All right. No, this is a whole big word. N. Run. Run. N. Good. Let's write an R. Pull down with a half hump. Smile. Pull down with a big hump. Pull down with a half. Smile. Pull down with a big hump. All right, guys, let's flip over on the back. Number 1 says match the letters. Let's match the B to the B. Here's letter A. Do you see letter A down here? Yep, there. Here's the letter T. Which one's the letter T? Here's the letter M. All right, so let's practice writing these. The letter D is a pull down with a big belly. Lowercase d is a pull down with a diaper, a little ball. Pull down with a big belly. Pull down with a little ball. This is the letter G. It's a big circle with a push across. The lowercase g is a circle push up with a monkey tail. Big C, push across. Make a ball, push up, hang down with a monkey tail. Big circle, push across, make a ball with a monkey tail. Good. The letter C is a big smile stroke, turn to the side. Smile, smile. Good. And S is like a wiggly snake from the top to the bottom and then under the dotted line. Good. H is a pull down with a hump, pull down with a dot. I, he. I, he. Now let's add it, hit. So let's pull down with a hump, pull down with a dot, pull down with a push across. That's the word it, hit. Good. All right, guys. See you later.